Hi friends, welcome to Back Relation Diary. This is the episode 162. Today we are uncover the silent story behind 25 handsome sugar, mature mustache daddies and silver daddies, beach daddies and other daddies, please shave daddies from around the world. One who may look strong on the outside but carry gentle hidden heart inside. In a quiet evening, a soft wind blows, and our camera slowly moves toward a world where mature daddies live with experience, romance, wisdom, and a little of bit of mystery. 25 countries and 25 men, 25 hidden heart. He owns a man's yard in the Tuscany, strong body, but a soft smile. At sunset, he sits with a glass of wine, thinking about the love the once lost. This man feels everything deeply but never show it. He writes poetry at night. People call him thought, but he cries quietly when he reads old letters. Oh gosh, he still keeps memory in his the Brazil country's silver lion, a fitting trainer with a playful attitude, but behind the laugh he hides a heartbreak that changed him forever. But those eyes tell another stories. The Pakistani come. There is come Pakistani ages 60s. He owns a small business in Lahore. He talks less, listens some more. He once loved someone deeply and still prays for them every night. This man loyalty is rare. Age 63, American road travels, always on long road, sleep under stars, but deep inside he's searching for a place but finally feels like home. Lonely inside. Greek. Ocean Souls, age 52. He lives by the beach. Every wave reminds him of a promise he made long ago. Why does this feel like a move scent? The Canadian Gentle Bear, age 57. A big body, big beard, big heart. He cooks alone every night but sits the table for two, just in case love return. This hit different. Fell moment the hidden hearts. All 25 daddies come from different places, different life, different dreams, but their heart share one truth. Even the strongest men carry soft stories. Some wait for love, some heal from pain, some hope for a second chance, but all of them teach us age does not stop love. Experience makes it deeper. And thank you watching my videos is all age daddies, ages 52s, 60s, 22s, 70s, 60s, and please subscribe my channel Relation Daddies and share my videos other fans who daddies lovers, and likes comment must be mentioned in comment section, and don't forget hit the bell icon for the new videos for you, and please mention in comment section which is daddies, hairy daddies, beard daddies, screenshot daddies, mustache daddies. Tell me in comment sections, and thank you again watching my videos.